Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how we can create 3D mockups in Photoshop. First, open up your Photoshop and load your project with your product image. Now go to the layer panel and duplicate the background layer. Now, using the object selection tool, select the product image. When selected, go to the layer mask tool in the side panel and make a mask of your product. Now open up an image and copy it. Now, paste it on your mockup project. Now, resize your image so that it fits your product. Go to the layer panel and right-click on the new layer and select the Create Clipping Mask option. Again, duplicate your background layer and put it on the top and select its blending mode to linear burn. Then right-click on it and create a clipping mask, and you are done. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.